I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the updated bill workbook and confirming the correct template. Enter customer details, invoice number, billing period, and currency at the top so formulas reference stable cells. Next, create 3 sheets named Summary, Line Items, and Payments. This organization avoids broken links later. Once done, lock header cells and define named ranges for rate and quantity so calculations use consistent references. This reduces manual errors and makes the file easier to audit. You now construct the core calculations on line items, convert the range to a table, and add formula columns for amount, tax, and net. Use amount equals QTY $unit $, 1 discount %, so discounts scale correctly, then tax equals amount tax %. On summary, reference table totals with SUMIFs for date ranges and customers. Make sure to add data validation for QTY and % fields, and conditional formatting to flag negative amounts or missing rates. This prevents bad entries from propagating. You finish by building a clean summary layout for printing or PDF export, linking every display field directly to calculation cells so values never diverge. Then save as final invoice, include a timestamp and version cell, and lock formulas to prevent accidental edits. If totals mismatch after export, first check that named ranges point to the current table, confirm table rows aren't excluded from SUM, and remove any manual overrides. Resolving those issues usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.